I don't know, Bandingamile, or is it the time where I should say, you came through at the time when we needed you as a country? Yeah, yazini ne. So today Uwapopulo met with Umtunzi, and then they said they had a sit down where he was asking what was happening go Babwako, and then he just explained about the financial matters, and he tried to be woke about it and try and ngathi uyamvala ukuthi lalela, you need to stay away because this we're going to sort it out as Unyana no Baba, and we are on top of it, so there's nothing for you to be worried about. Well, Hopolo being him, he played smart, went ahead and said, we need a private banker, and then he can pitch the idea to Ubab Simdi as if it was Mtunzi's idea. Now, Wabsim had this and he was thrilled. And I was like, good. Somebody had to beat Mtunzi as his own game. Like Yazin. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sandwanan option malo minjani yifukile hingangwina so namuhla kana kwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kuro shlos temsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that one thing that really buggles me with Scandal, they are gonna drag a storyline. They are going to drag. We've been talking about Mtunzi for the past, I think, 3 weeks now. Then the whole month, so was cool Mtunzi trying to uba semiti. Yo Jehovah. Anyway, again. Still not happy with. Okay, well today she was happy, but then ulomuntu omsizayo was like, I'm not too sure about abantwana ukuthi kwenzakalani because abantwana bomunye umuntu, so I think they just don't know ukuthi who was the mother and what has happened, the whole shebang there. But Umavotela is on top of it. Umavotela is coming back and uza slow ketana. She's on top of it, and then told Nhloso ukuthi, I think there's some catfish that I see that is going on between twins and Babisemdi, and everyone else seems to be asleep, but I'm going to make sure that people wake up and see Mtunzi for who he really is. That time Nhloso has already been fired. Now umama unkosikazi uMandlokovu I don't know. Yeah, unkosikazi Kanhloso, she's not happy with the fact that umntanakhe ushayiwe because somebody was just trying to protect Udintle. And I'm just sitting here, why would you beat your son just so that girlfriend yakho could be happy? Like ukhathalela bani kahle kahle? And he was actually spitting out facts. It's like the first person that you care about is your girlfriend, unlike us. You left us, you went to jail, got another girlfriend, and then you come back, so shaya abantu njani kaloku. I also don't understand that part.